Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. Now, I've had quite a few of you pensioners like me writing in to say that we need to look at your videos more often than we've ever done, and we're not really DIY people, we are struggling a bit. And I've noticed that more viewers have been looking as of the recent last few months. And the reason it seems that they've run out of money. Pensioners have literally run on a much lower wage than people working, of course. We're supposed to survive on this money. Now, I do know the triple lock is coming, which will make £230 difference. It's over a year, isn't it? So you spread that out, it's not a lot, really. Okay, but it's something. But because most of you lost out on the, dare I say it, oh, all right then, the winter fuel payment. There, I've got it out. So the thing is, everybody's reached maxed out with the taxes now. Someone has written to me the other day and said that they're at this crisis point and they've already sold their car. They can't afford to tax that again now, and they're using buses and things, and they're turning the heating off virtually most of the time. This is unbelievable, and I think this can't be happening in today's Britain. And they said, well, you know, we voted Labour. And I thought, well, you know, we all got our own votes. And he said, well, I mainly voted because the one thing I saw that really helped us is the council tax not going up, because I saw this. And he actually sent me the clip. Here it is.
Yes, you heard it right. Not a penny more on your council tax. Not a penny more than the bill you paid last year.
So I guess, yeah, that was said, but it's not what's happening, is it? And a lot more other things have been said. Now, a couple of other of you have written to me and said that they voted Labour too, but I think they made a mistake when they looked at what he was saying, because he was saying more money in the working man's pocket. Yeah, not in the retired person's pocket. No, it's not a laughing matter, really. It really has got a bit desperate. And a whole lot of things were said that haven't come true, have they? Basically, a lot of it was porcupines, wasn't it?
It will be guaranteed that you will have zero bills for at least 5 years.
One of you decided to go the whole hog and send me a whole list of the stuff that was promised that hasn't happened. Now look guys, I'm sorry you kind of need to write to me so much to sort out your plumbing jobs and problems, because there's no money left. And now a couple of you have been without heating for a couple of weeks. I've tried to give you as much as I can to get it fixed, but it seems like you just can't seem to be able to sort it, and you will need, unfortunately, a fitter in to do it. And if you haven't got the money, then you can't get no one in to do it. This is, you know, this is unreasonable, and it just shouldn't be happening. It shouldn't be happening. You know, when we can afford a war and literally pay out billions for that and not help the pensioners, I think things are going badly wrong, don't you? Now, I don't care if you're Labour, Liberal, Dem, Conservative or Reform. I don't care what it is. All I know is that things aren't as they should be, and everybody is suffering for it in different ways. So anyway, here's that list I was telling you about, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.